Hello and welcome to the channel. I've got the Bakugan Ultimate Battle Arena. This is for Gen 3. This is the one that's exclusive to Amazon. Now, I did have to order this from the States because it's not available on the Canadian Amazon app yet. But this one's definitely bigger than the regular arena. And here's the back. So this basically comes with the arena and two of the trainer or the training kit stuff. Got the dragon one and the aqua one. Now where is just only no, those are the gate cards. Does it come with any of the let's see, there should be. There is no. Oh, there's the top. It's got some nice artwork on the top too. Doesn't actually have like a list of contents. All right. Let's get this thing open. Oh, there's some tape on this side too. No. This might be a bit of a pain to open. Okay. Bear with me as I try and get this out. Alright, I gotta open up the other end. Alright. Oddly shaped box. Alright. Now all the contents. Do I have this upside down? Yeah, actually I do. Alright, it's not like the trainers, which you kind of open upside down. This has all the cards. So as you can see, the pieces are translucent. Although I think they're a little bit weaker maybe even than the other one, but I'm not entirely sure because I don't have the other arena. I'm not going to put the whole thing together. So there's two of those. I am going to test and see how this arena works with the phone. Here's half a bottom plate. There's the dragon side. There's that piece. And then I've got these two, and this will work with my other my insect trainer that I have, training kit, which I did unbox, but I don't know in what order these videos will be uploaded. Okay, there's the Bakugan and a few other goodies in that bag. Alright, that's they already partly connected these. Alright, I might as well. So that goes there. Alright. Now this is definitely smaller than my Evo battle arena. Those are the parts for the stands. I can get this out of here. So, alright. This will fit here. So I can do that. Or I can do this. Now this piece probably should go on first, but I'm pretty sure it can go there. Actually, I know what I'll do. Put this here. Okay, so this would work like this. So these black pieces could go on either side, and the two training sides can go on either side. And then this bracket here can go on either side, it can go top side or on this side. Alright. Then I've got these that I can connect to make a different type of arena. These don't exactly go on this arena as it is now. So there's one Bakugan. I've also got these training dummies. There's another Bakugan. Also got flags. There's special attack Dragonoid. So yeah, we've got different flags. Then we've also got one of these for holding the special attack card. But this doesn't work so well for using it to rip the special attack Bakugan. There's just more of these, and then these cups that go on the sides of these. Alright. Let's get these Bakugan out. One. There's two. It already wants to open. That's the octagon. I don't know if it's any different or not from the other octagon. This really nice special attack Dragonoid. That one, I think, is a titanium Dragonoid, but I could be wrong. Might just be a regular Drago. Let's see what we got for cards. Got the customer support number. Got 2 gate cards. Okay. Drago A. And Aqua A. Now, I have mentioned that you kind of need this arena in order to actually play. That's because it's got indentations here for the cards and it makes it a nice flat surface. Let's put some of this back away. Back into the baggie. That's Hammerhead. There's Octagon. Okay. Comes with this mini poster. The QR code to look up the sets and stuff. Then comes with an instruction sheet, but it's pretty self-explanatory as to how this thing goes together. Now let's look at the cards. It's Octagon, I'm pretty sure that's the same one as before. I think this is a different Drago, but I could be wrong. And Hammerhead. Alright, and then we get Blazing Warrior with Drago, which is actually pretty decent. Okay, now I should grab a proper ripcord from my collection here. Just gotta move some stuff out of the way. To get at it. Alright, I got a ripcord. These are way better. And if you run them under hot water and kind of bend them the opposite direction as to what they want to move in, you can bend it back to where it should be to straighten it. That's what I did. Alright. Got stuck in the groove. Don't have 4 cards on me at the moment. Oh, I almost slid him right off of there. Let's try that again. There we go. Kind of worked. Alright. So there's Drago. remove his ring. Well, I actually have it like that. I'm curious. Yeah, technically you can still kind of roll it. Doesn't roll very well though. Alright. Actually let me pop off one of these. Because I have this handy as well. So if I got one more training kit, I might try and get the one that comes with titanium trocks. I can have all four with kind of special sides. Alright. Sweet. Well, I kind of wish it also came with like the other cards for the advanced game as well, but unfortunately it doesn't come with any of those, which kind of sucks. So got enough for one person to play the basic game. There we go. Each one has kind of a gimmick. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. At some point I'll maybe set up these 3 training pieces that I've got, and maybe I can set up an arena or something like that with these 3, and yeah, see how that works. So yeah, have a good one.